Hi, hello, welcome to my new video. In this video, we are going to unbox something special. Before we start, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. So let's begin. Guys, this is the product. As you see, there are two cars, both 1:64 scale and die-cast metal. So let's unbox it. Let's take the first one. This is a Bugatti Veyron and this is a Ferrari. This is the Veyron Super Sport and this comes in a white color. You can see decals here on the door. All four tires are independent and this comes with small suspension. Now let's check on this Ferrari. It's the Ferrari LaFerrari 2012 model, but it looks cool. Here also we can see decals on the door and also on the bonnet. This car also has independent tires and it also runs so smooth. If you like my video, please click on the like button. Share my video to your 10 friends. If you have any doubts or suggestions, please tell me in the comment box. Subscribe my channel for more new videos. Click on the bell icon to receive notification of my new videos. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you enjoyed it. Till our next video. Bye.